What is up, great people? Back again with another video. It's Nosana. Some of you already know as I tutor grade 10, 11 and 12 maths and physical science here on YouTube. If you're new to my channel, please care to like, comment, share and subscribe, as I'll be posting more civil engineering videos and more related content to civil engineering. I will be covering N5 building and structural construction in this video. And the topic that I'll be discussing is bending schedule. So this video serves to just be an introduction to what is discussed or what this bending schedule is basically about. Right, so if you didn't know what bending schedule is, it is just a table, right, that civil engineers or structural engineers use to describe the shape of the bars and the length of the bars, and also the total of the reinforcement or reinforcing steel that is used for a specific structure. So that is what the bending schedule is about. It's just a table that has all that you need to know about the steel that is used as reinforcing, right? I mean, for reinforcing. So we will need this bending schedule when we're creating slabs or when we're creating concrete columns, right? Because this just describes the steel that is being used in there, right? So if you're new to my channel, please care to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Okay, so I do tutor maths grade 10 to grade 12 and also physics and BSC N5, and also yeah, I'm also studying civil engineering at this point, and I am making videos and helping others as I go. So if you don't want to miss out on this journey, please care to subscribe and let's enjoy the show. Thank you guys.